My dear viewers, what have you gotten for Christmas? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. I have gotten these 3 cans. They are all vintage and they are all from 1963. This here is a boxed version. This can came with his box, and this is really the first can box I ever got in my collection. I'm so excited that I have now finally a can with a box. He is wearing his original clothes and his original sandals, and the little booklet are in the box. Let me show you this. Here they are. This here is also a can from 1963. They are almost twins. The makeup is a little bit different and I wanted them both. I had them for a long time on my wish list and that's finally what I got for Christmas. He's also a 1963 can as far as I know. This blonde can has a twin brother, a brunette can. He's also from 1963 and somehow his arm is a little bit damaged, but I did not care so much about it. I just wanted to have him because they were all on my wish list. I just wanted to have more vintage cans and I have observed them for several months until I finally bought them and I have them all. What I would like to do in the meantime, you see me now doing this video, but while you do this, I'm on Christmas vacation. I plan to read a book about vintage cans because I want to improve my knowledge about vintage cans. You know, I have done a video in 2021 about vintage cans and a lot of you like this video, how to identify the vintage cans. I know it's important and it's not very easy, but I would like to improve my knowledge in this point and I will read a book and make a new video in 2023 to improve my last video and to give you a better overview over the vintage cans so that you can learn more and you can better identify them, so that we all have a great benefit when we all know how to identify them in a very easy way. I hope you have a great day. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!